Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. So this is the lit channel that you've been looking for, and now you found it, so don't click out. So guys, today's look is an anti-valentine look for all my beautiful ladies, guys, anybody that would love to do a smoky look for Valentine's Day, single or not, but you just want to slay. So just keep watching my video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and share, and leave a comment what you think. Do I look cute on this or nah?
So guys, I just start with my concealer on my eyelids, then I blend it out with this brush. I can't recall where I got it from. Then I go in with my SACHA Buttercup setting powder to just prepare my eyelids for the colors to come. Using Morocco, I start my crease. I just blend it out properly, and I go in with this brown because I didn't want the Morocco to be too orange on my eyes and too harsh. So I go in with the brown to soften up the color, and that will also be on my crease. Then I just blend it out properly. And I go in with my Maybelline Blackest black eyeliner. This is the base for the smoky look, and it's really dark. It's a gel eyeliner, so I took my time to apply it. In this process, there's a lot of blending that needs to be done. I go in with my BH Cosmetic black eyeshadow to pat on the gel to give it a more finished look and able to blend it. So I keep moving the eyeshadows upwards my eye because I have a hooded eye. I just need to take it up for upwards. So I just keep patting it on. Then at this point, I'm just blending the upper lid of my eyes. I'm mixing the black and the orange and the brown together so it doesn't have like a harsh line. So I keep going in to blend all this in because this is necessary. You don't just want to see solid black. And I go in my BH Cosmetics highlighter. You guys know I love this. Highlighting my eyebrows are like the highlights of my makeup. I love it. I do it a lot. I go in with my Shopmissa Estee mascara to bring out my eyelashes. Then I go in with this eyelashes, mink eyelashes from cherishofficial.ca. My favorite, my best, discount code in description box. And I go in with this Clinique moisturizer. Then I go in with Clinique foundation. I love this foundation. It was the second foundation I ever bought for myself. It's perfect, it's good and everything. And yes, I forgot I had to correct my face. Then I stopped halfway and started correcting my face with the Ruby Kiss color corrector, and I just blend that out. Then now I'm trying to blend my foundation in, then I'm like, oops, it's dry. So I go in with my Clinique finishing spray to make it wet a little bit and easy to blend. So I put this in. I love this Clinique foundation. It's super lightweight, my true color of my face. Then I go with my FentyBeauty Match 3, then I go in with suede at first. This is to highlight my face. Then I go in with the damp brush to blend everything out. And by the way, my friend was in the room, so I was super distracted and I was talking most of the time. That's why you see someone in the background. Then I go in with my FentyBeauty Espresso to contour. Then I go in with this angle brush. I always start with an angle brush to blend my contour because it's just easy. Then I go in with a damp brush later on, which I'm going to do in this video. With the contour brush is very easy. Then I go with this damp brush, like blend everything in so it doesn't leave like harsh lines and all that for me. I just blend it in, and don't forget to subscribe, my beautiful people. Subscribe, support the movement. Then I contour my nose. I love this thing. I love to do this. I don't know why. Now going with my setting powder, I just set my face with this, and I set my T-zone, my smile line, and yeah. Then I just go in with the eyeshadow again underneath, to put it underneath to just give it that smoky effect. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do it with the end. I'm going with my L'Oreal mascara. This is the primer part. There's two sides to it, one and two. I use only the one part because the two is all dried up and shit. I'm getting my Shopmissa Estee mascara again to bring out my lashes, and I go in with my brush, my powder brush, and with my black opal finishing powder to add more color to my face, to blend everything. I love this powder. I've been using it for years, and I just get my setting spray to set everything in. You know what I'm saying? And I highlight my face while my face is still wet, which is the best method ever because it looks very natural, very matte, dewy, like it just blends in with your foundation. It's not like cakey and unblended. And I just do all that goodness, looking like a bronze goddess at this point, you know. I line my lips. Then I go in with my ColourPop Limbo lipstick. Like this lipstick is bae. One man bae. Then yes.
Yeah. Can you go? I want you to love me tender. I want you to love me tender. Baby, you want me more forever. Oh, love me tender. Oh, baby, you're sweeter than sugar. I dey feel like a new man. Oh, yeah, what's the new plan? I'm a low bitty at the nougat. You dey cussing.